Hello and welcome to CMSfixation. I'm your host Abdul. Today I'm going to show you how to add Divi inline buttons side by side. Here is the live version example where you can see three buttons are in a same row in same column. We are going to replicate the same example in our tutorial, so keep tuned to get more update. So let's start. First you need to log in into your WordPress website. When you are logged in, you can see this top admin bar. Create new page. Let's name it buttons. This view is big, sorry about that. Publish this. Click on enable visual builder. Start building. First you need to add a row. Go to row setting by clicking on this gear icon. Now again this gear icon for column setting. Go to advanced custom CSS. In this main element, now go to this my post. I will give this link in the description. Copy CSS code, paste here. Save that. Save. Now add the button. For button, we are going to custom styles for CSS. Great. We are using gradient. Add gradient. This will be okay. Gradient and start position, border radius 0, and this is, I think this is okay for now. For spacing we are going to for right 10, right to left 10 pixels. That will be great. Now the main work is done. Now just clone the button. You can see all the button in the same row. We are using one column. Now how much you want to replicate the button, you can create the button. Okay, please like, subscribe my channel. I have very great stuff to show you in future. Thank you for watching.